Looking for the best blender to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Vitamix A3500. This is the best blender you can buy on the market and stands out for its exceptional blending power and smart features in a premium package. This Vitamix model features a 64-ounce BPA-free Tritan container, digital touchscreen controls, and 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, dips, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. The variable speed dial provides precise control, while the programmable timer ensures consistent results. The blender's powerful motor and 4-blade design create incredibly smooth textures, whether making smoothies, soups, or purees. Its blades spin fast enough to generate heat through friction, allowing it to cook soup ingredients while blending in under 10 minutes. The included tamper helps incorporate stubborn ingredients, ensuring even blending. Smart features include Bluetooth connectivity that pairs with the Perfect Blend app, offering 17 additional preset programs and over 500 recipes. The container communicates with the base unit to prevent unsafe operation, automatically adjusting blend times based on container size. Build quality is exceptional, with a metal body and durable components backed by a 10-year warranty. While it operates at high power, it maintains relatively quiet operation compared to similar professional-grade blenders. So that sums up my top 5 blenders I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day. Number 2. Our Place Splendor Blender. This is our runner-up pick and delivers impressive power for a personal blender, outperforming several competitors in its class. The unit features a spacious 24-ounce, 750 milliliters canister with an innovative wavy wall design that creates an effective blending vortex for smoother results. Its wide mouth opening allows for easy ingredient loading and helps achieve consistent blending without the need for frequent stops to stir ingredients. The blender operates with 2 straightforward modes, high-speed blend and pulse, making it versatile enough for smoothies, sauces, and ice crushing. While it handles most ingredients well, ice crushing performance can be somewhat uneven. The included drinking lid with handle adds convenience for on-the-go use. Construction quality is notable, with all components except the base being dishwasher safe and made from toxin-free materials, excluding PTFEs and PFAS. The design is both functional and aesthetic, though the base can show some movement during operation despite its weighted design. The Splendor runs louder than expected during operation, which is worth considering for daily use. Cleanup is simplified through the self-cleaning function, requiring only soap and water. The compact dimensions make it suitable for smaller kitchens, while the included 1-year warranty provides reasonable protection for the investment. Number 3. Breville Super Q BBL 920 BTR. The Super Q delivers exceptional blending power with its 1800-watt motor reaching speeds up to 186 miles per hour. This commercial-grade blender operates quietly thanks to noise suppression technology, making it suitable for home use. The unit features 12 speed settings and 5 one-touch programs for smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, and ice crushing. Its 68-ounce main jug and included personal blending cup are both recognized by the intelligent base for optimized performance. The blender excels at creating smooth textures for everything from nut butters to frozen drinks, with consistent results. The package includes practical accessories like a tamper and scraper tool. Cleanup is simplified with a dedicated cleaning program and dishwasher-safe components. The sturdy construction is backed by a 10-year motor warranty. While the 17.95-inch height may require consideration for counter placement, the retractable power cord aids in storage. Number 4. Ninja TB301. The TB301 excels with its powerful 1800 peak watt motor that effortlessly handles tough ingredients and ice. The blender features innovative BlendSense technology that automatically adjusts speed and time for optimal blending results. Its 72-ounce pitcher accommodates large batches, while 2 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids offer convenient portability. The control interface provides 10 variable speed settings and preset programs for precise blending control. The total crushing and chopping blade assembly effectively processes ingredients for smoothies, frozen drinks, and chopped vegetables. The unit includes thoughtful design elements like suction cups for stability and a release button for the pitcher lid. While the blender operates loudly, it compensates with exceptional performance. The dishwasher-safe components and wide pitcher opening make cleaning straightforward. The TB301 combines versatility, power, and intelligent features in a well-constructed package that delivers consistent, professional quality results. Number 5. nutribullet SmartSense Blender. This is our 5th ranked pick but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It stands out with its innovative automatic load sensing technology that adjusts speed and time settings for optimal blending results. This 1400-watt machine features 5 variable speeds with pulse control and a sleek LED display interface. The 64-ounce Tritan pitcher includes a vented lid for safe handling of both hot and cold ingredients, making it versatile for soups, smoothies, and plant-based milks. The blender excels at creating smooth textures, effectively processing everything from ice to nuts without leaving unwanted chunks. Its safety features include a lid lock mechanism and sturdy suction cup base for stability during operation. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The blender comes in 3 color options: black, gunmetal, and white.